What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you this method of inflating your follower count on Instagram and gaining a lot of followers. Now, I wouldn't recommend this for bigger pages to get bigger, but if you're smaller and gaining followers when you have zero of them or a very low amount is very hard, but by using either one of these methods, this will help you out tremendously to get a couple hundred followers and look like a real profile. So I'm just going to show you two methods. Both of them are very similar, but will give varying results. So for this first method, you're going to head over to a page that's in your niche. I'm making a sports meme page, so the niche is MLB for me. And you're going to head over to their following and just follow all of their followers. And for this method to work, you would have to go to a pretty big page with their following list. Like MLB, they pretty much only follow MLB players. So it's going to be a lot of big accounts. And what this does is that a lot of bots will be looking for people that just recently followed other accounts. So you're going to get a lot of bot followers. You're still going to get a lot of regular followers, but they won't really be as active. They'll be kind of big pages surfing around. It's kind of hard to explain, but once you actually see who's starting to follow you, you will see what happens. Now, this is the method I would use when first starting out your page when you have literally 0 followers, just to get the first 100, and then use the second method, which gets a lot more active followers, and then you could use those to get a couple hundred more, and then hopefully you're getting in enough views where you've graduated from this step and you're on to making better content and also getting followers the organic, natural way. Okay, now the second method is very similar, but like I said, you'll get different results. I'm at the MLB page again, but this time I'm going to go to the recent post, which is just a couple hours ago, and go to the people that have liked it and just follow everyone that's liked it. Now, because this post was only made a couple hours ago, you'll be getting a lot of followers of people that were just on Instagram, and they're active on Instagram, obviously, now. And you'll actually get some active followers from this. I would say to just stay following the people that have followed you back. And then you could eventually unfollow people if they don't follow you back. But if they follow you back and they stay active, you just got an active follower for basically just doing this random-ass method. And that's pretty much to it. I also will say that once you start following a bunch of people in a row like this, Instagram is eventually going to catch on and it'll come up with a message that says something like, you can't follow accounts right now. And for this, you just come back in like 30 minutes to an hour. It really just depends, and then you'll be able to just follow people again. But you're really only able to follow a couple hundred before Instagram kicks in. But that's pretty much all there is to this video. If you found this video confusing at all, or you had any questions about this method, just drop them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and also read the description because there's very important information down there. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.